we're not going to do the other side because we ain't going to be able to see. So we're just have to get up in the morning and grind it out.
Yeah.
We need to do
There it is. There it is. You can see it now?
Yeah.
Maybe?
Maybe.
I think you need to color it in.
There's not enough ink though. We ran out of ink, yo. Yeah.
You don't keep spray paint in your Jeep?
I got arrested the other night and they confiscated it.
Ah.
I mean, it's not going to
Yeah.
You didn't really get arrested, did you?
Hey,
Sometimes.
Did you
hey,
get
let's just
arrested?
do, hey, do this.
Nah, not today.
Let's,
Looks like the wind's starting to pick up. Try to wrap this up and then head over to. Oh shit! Look at that. The effects of Irma, and she hasn't even hit this area yet. Billy! Hey, come outside, man. I got something for you. I was gonna swing by Orlando, but I didn't see him.
I'm right behind you.
What's up, man?
What for? Oh, gracias. Unholy.
Stay in touch. I'm gonna be hanging out over at Brian's tonight.
Okay.
McNatt's, and then I'll probably stay over at John Elman's.
All right.
So,
I'll call you.
yeah, man, be good.
Hey.
Boom. The calm before the storm. What you see there is the remnant of what used to be a beer bong or beer pong table. It's Chris Chatterton right up over there. This is his residence, trying to hold it down, man.
Broke your toe? It's alright, they have Viagra for that.
I just broke my kneecap.
I know somebody that got some Cialis that had it over at some leftover Cialis.
Oh yeah, from New Orleans.
All right, let me do my part. Crack this bitch open. I should cut myself with this. It's alright. It's the man way to open up that shit unless you're like Orlando just open. I can't do it. It's our survival.
Yeah, the boat's almost the least of your worries, though.
Yeah.
To the box.
Damn it.
Cheers. What's up, baby?
Yeah.
Carissa?
Yeah.
Carissa!
Says hi. He's
What's
so
up, girl?
He's
Be safe. I feel like, oh, look at that. There's some people up there. Let's see what they're doing. Look at this bitch.
Put it on, put it on.
Yeah. That's like some fashion runway shit. This is some Victoria's Secret stuff. Oh, wait! Yeah, let me see. Let me more skin, more skin, more skin.
Blue steel.
Yeah, this is fun. So
Orlando, do we need a drill?
He went to go get it.
DJ, this is the cave, man.
This is the cave. Woo! Yo, son, you got a Ghostbusters? Look at this beach. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na-na.
That can't get destroyed.
God.
I would take that off of the wall and then put it like somewhere on the ground.
Oh, some of that stuff you're not
How are we gonna get down?
What do you mean?
Oh. Do you guys have a ladder that you can just like scroll down on the side?
We put this up. We're not gonna be able to get down. Orlando, be careful there. That I had a leak there at one point. The ladder that I have that's like hanging out by there.
Just put it right over there.
If you can bring it over here, we can get out.
Got it.
It's one of those like little giant ones.
Chelsea football all day. This is very itchy, and I have to go all the way inside there. Ah, oh, Lord have mercy. Ah, my back loves this right now. And thank God I'm not allergic to any of these plants, but it sucks. Fuck y'all, I'm going that way. I'm gonna use it as my self-defense. Yeah, try to scratch me now, bitch. What's up? Tee. There it is.
Chris.
Yoo-hoo! This shit?
Yeah. On the charger?
Yep.
Yeah, that's the one that was on the charger.
Nothing like grinding on a roof before a hurricane. You know what I'm saying?
Gotta protect the man cave, kid.
Thanks, man.
Yes,
Appreciate
sir.
it. Go Bucks.
Go Bucks! It's a beer pong table. It's a beer pong table that has a duty. And its job is to save the